Difference in present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. There is a future perfect continuous also, but it is not very much used by the learners in spoken. You might find in written. So, let's figure out that what actually the difference in present continuous, present perfect continuous, past continuous, and past perfect continuous. In present continuous, time is not given, but in the present perfect continuous, time is given. You can see here, helping verb is has been, have been, ing, and since for. And with singular we use has been, with plural we use have been. Like I've been living in Meerut for 3 days. He has been working here for 2 days already. He has been sleeping since 4 o'clock. So you can see that here in present perfect continuous, helping verb is has been, have been, ing, since for. I know that you must be having confusion in since and for. Since is used for the specific time. For is for the period of time. Now let's move to past perfect continuous. Same it goes with that. In past continuous, the time is not action, like time is not mentioned over here. Only the action of the past in the past continuous, but in the past perfect continuous, the action was started and it happened and it was there. So here the helping verb is had been, ing. If you say it has been raining since morning, that means the rain is still going on, right? बारिश अभी भी हो रही है. It has been raining, cats and dog. बारिश कल शुरू हुई थी या जब भी पास में शुरू हुई थी और अभी भी हो रही है. It was a request for me that ma'am, in your video you must speak out and mention in Hindi as well. So I thought ki it's okay, that's pretty okay with me. So some of the things I have to mention in Hindi to make my learner clear about some of the basic things. Past perfect continuous, if you say it had been raining cats and dogs, means it started and it was over. It's not still happening. यानी जो पास में शुरू हुआ था टाइम के साथ और वो हो चुका, लेकिन इट हैज़ बीन रेनिंग कैट्स एंड डॉग्स कभी शुरू हुई है वो पास में, लेकिन अभी भी वो एक्शन चल रहा है. सो यू आर सपोज टू यूज सिंस एंड फॉर इन दैट. So let's go with future perfect continuous also. If, as I told you, it is not very much used in spoken and written, but let's have a glance. It is shall have been, will have been, ing, since for. So next time when you get stuck in perfect continuous, whether it is a present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, or future perfect continuous, just bear in the mind that the been will be there. Like in present perfect continuous, has been, have been, past perfect continuous, had been, future perfect continuous, it is shall have been, will have been. Verb ing will come and since for is common. So it's not that difficult. It's not a mammoth task. Just go and compare with present continuous. Happy learning.